Cannot change password on Albert fix. If you've been trying to change your password on Albert and nothing seems to work, don't worry, this happens to a lot of users. Most people think it's a technical glitch, but the surprising truth is that Albert's security system often blocks password updates if something doesn't match exactly. Here's how to fix it step by step. First, open the Albert app and tap on your profile icon in the top corner. Go down to Security Settings and tap Change Password. Enter your old password, then your new one twice. Your new password needs to be at least 8 characters long and include both numbers and letters. Avoid using passwords that are too similar to your old one or that contain your name or birth date. Albert won't accept those for safety reasons. If you've forgotten your password, tap Forgot Password on the login screen. Enter the email link to your Albert account and you'll receive a reset link. Here's the trick, open that link as soon as you get it. It expires after a short time. If you don't see the email, check your spam or junk folder. If you still can't change your password, try these quick fixes. Update the app to the latest version, make sure your internet connection is stable, and temporarily disable any in you're using. This scene is, and ad blockers can sometimes prevent secure connections to Albert's servers. And if you signed up with Google or Apple, you won't be able to change your password through Albert directly. You'll need to update it through your Google or Apple account. If all else fails, go to the help section in the app and contact Albert support. They can manually reset your account after verifying your identity. So, if you can't change your password on Albert, don't stress, it's not a glitch. It's Albert's way of keeping your finances safe. Follow these steps, and you'll have a new, secure password set in minutes.